Taiwan reported identifying 47 sorties of Chinese planes, as well as 7 Chinese vessels, until 6 a.m. local time on Saturday morning, as stated by an official release from Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense. In accordance with the MND, of the 47 sorties identified, it was discovered that 41 of these planes had crossed the median line, then entering Taiwan's northern, southwestern, and eastern air defense identification zone, ADIZ. In a tweet in the social media platform X, the Ministry of National Defense said, 47 PLA aircraft, 7 planned vessels and 1 official ship operating around Taiwan were detected up to 6 a.m. UTC+8 today. 41 out of 47 sorties crossed the median line and entered Taiwan's northern, southwestern and eastern ADIZ. We have monitored the situation and responded. In an earlier release from Friday, Taiwan had also identified 18 sorties of Chinese planes and 7 Chinese vessels, noted up to 6 a.m. local time, as stated by Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense's official release. The MND stated that of the 18 sorties noted on that day, 13 of them had already crossed the median line, entering Taiwan's southwestern ADIZ. The official release stated, 18 sorties of PLA aircraft and 7 planned vessels operating around Taiwan were detected up to 6 a.m. UTC+8 today. 13 out of 18 sorties crossed the median line and entered Taiwan's southwestern ADIZ. We have monitored the situation and responded accordingly. Earlier on Thursday, a spokesperson of the United States Department of State made stinging criticism against China's recent military exercises near Taiwan, deeming these actions brazen and irresponsible threats. The spokesperson also reaffirmed the United States' long-standing support of Taipei, the capital of Taiwan, as stated in an earlier report from Taipei Times. The spokesperson clearly expressed his stance, stating, China cannot credibly claim to be a force for stability in a turbulent world while issuing brazen and irresponsible threats toward Taiwan. The Taipei Times reports that the official reiterating the importance of the U.S. commitment noted that the long-term commitment of the United States to helping Taiwan would continue as it had remained unconditionally asserted for an incredible duration of 45 years. Besides, the U.S. will continue to support Taiwan in response to China's military, economic, informational, and diplomatic pressure, thereby confirming its commitment. Together with our international partners, we strongly advocate for peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait and oppose any efforts to alter the status quo through force or coercion, the spokesperson elaborated, adding richness to the position taken. If you enjoyed watching this engaging video, we respectfully ask you to thumb it up to show your appreciation, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and kindly provide your feedback in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we genuinely hope the best for everyone's peace and safety in the future.